So hey guys, welcome back to your own channel with a purely science-based, very interesting video on how can one become invisible. Now it seems too weird at first. I strongly believe that now you would be pretty much annoyed hearing from me about notices only and nothing else. But yes, in this video we will be talking about this whole statement and in a detailed and very understandable way, and if it is possible or not. So this video will be a combination of some simple physics and mathematics. So a person of any age can watch this video. So recently, for no reason, I was researching about the special theory of relativity, and yes, you might have guessed the person behind it, the very great scientist Albert Einstein. So let me tell you some very basic ideas about that theory, and those topics are too in itself very interesting. I too strongly recommend you to go through that topic. Now the special theory of relativity that I have read so far states that any body that is moving perpendicular to its length, now it can be any body, no matter at what speed, has no change on its length. I repeat, any body that is moving perpendicular to its length, no matter at what speed, has no change on its length. It means that its length neither increases nor decreases if that body moves perpendicular to its length. Now some of you might have guessed what I would be explaining you later on. You might be thinking, bro, it's very obvious, there is no point about that. But what if I tell you another interesting fact? Now please listen it carefully. If a body, again no matter what body, moves parallel to its length, its original length generally contracts. I repeat, if a body moves parallel to its length, its original length generally contracts. Isn't it fascinating that a body automatically loses its length just by traveling parallel to its length? Now for getting my point more carefully, let me show you a formula given by Albert Einstein which determines what will be your apparent or the new length if you are moving parallel to your length. And that formula is L dash equals to L multiplied by under root 1 minus V square upon C square. Don't worry, let me introduce these values. L dash is your new length. L is your original length. V is your speed of motion. And the very important factor C is the speed of light that is always approximately equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, or more precisely 30 crores meter per second. Now this is a purely derived formula, but I will not include the derivation part to make this video much simpler. So let me tell you what did I personally observe from this formula. Now for moving parallel to our length, let's assume a Superman type of person. You might have seen such a person in movies which usually flies in the sky. For general understanding, let us consider three different cases. First case. Suppose our Superman is moving at a speed equal to 100 meter per second, which is also 360 km per hour. So it's a quite high speed. And suppose in all cases our Superman's height is 6 feet. So now let's put all these values in the above equation. Please analyze this. 100 square, that is 10,000, divided by the square of the speed of light, that is 9 into 10 raised to power 16. Now can you imagine, this is equal to 0.000 up to I guess 16 zeros and then 1. Please forgive me if I made a mistake in this. So this value is so small that even if I subtract 1 from it, does not make any sense. So your new length becomes almost exactly equal to your original length. Now what if I say that this is the same thing that happens when you are sleeping in a super fast moving train with your head on the engine side and your feet on the last coach side? I hope that you now understood what I was about to say. If you didn't understand this, please don't go forward. Again, rewind the video till your doubts are not cleared. Now I told you about one case only. Let's take our second case. Suppose that our Superman is now moving with a speed equal to 1/10 the speed of light, that is 3 crores meter per second. Now taking the previous value of length, that is 6 feet, you observe that your new length comes out to be 5 feet and 11.6 inches. Can you imagine this? Even if you have traveled at a speed equal to just 1/10 of the speed of light, it didn't have a much impact on your length. But now comes the killer case. Now let's increase our Superman's speed. Suppose that your Superman is now moving with a speed equal to the speed of light. So please put the same values yourselves and calculate the answer. Do comment in the comment section below before you move forward. And yes, if you calculated it right, you will observe that the Superman's new length becomes 0 now. Now does this mean that our Superman has now become invisible? Now I am taking this situation considering all the other theories of the special theory of relativity such as time dilation to be constant. So let's give a thought about our observations. Now clearly we observe that if a body moving parallel to its length approaches the speed of light, it becomes invisible. But there is a very big fault in our observation at present. I don't know whether it would be achieved in the future, but still at present, while I am considering 11th of May 2020 at 11:30 p.m, nobody and even nothing except the light itself has such a very extreme speed. The speed of light is the fastest and nobody till now can move faster than it or even approach it. To give you some more clarity, the sunshine which you see in the morning just takes only 8 minutes 15 seconds to reach Earth from the sun. Now you can imagine how fast is the speed of light. Now you may call this video a future prediction or anything related to it, because still we never know that in future will we able to approach this speed. You and I cannot predict today. That is what I think. Also comment your views about this whole video. So with this we should end up our video. I hope you gained a lot today. And special thanks to H.C. Verma sir for letting me understand and observe something different from this theory very easily. So guys, do let me know if you want such type of content again. Make sure you please share this video to wherever this video will make an impact. Do comment in the comment section below if you have any doubt regarding this whole video. Don't forget to subscribe to your own channel for more such interesting updates. I will meet you soon on another video. So till then, stay happy, stay fit, stay at your homes. Jai Hind, Vande Matram.